And just like that, as I always say, it's a lot better when things go smoothly than when they go really rough. So guys, take some videos when I rekey the cylinder as well. I mean, look at this. It's freaking awesome. Sit in the right spot. Good to go. Smooth pull through. It's no problem for the good old locksmith over here. The good old affordable locksmith in Kansas City. Look at that. It was 205. Let's go. Alright. Just to kind of make sure everything is super flush. My stuff here, so. And that's a really good sign, guys. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, their cylinder was fine. I just guess it was their keys. Alright guys, we are at Ruby Jeans here in Kansas City, Missouri. This guy's freaking killing it on the saxophone right now. Killing it, man. Killing it.